One more. All right, Fig, we're back. What I heard you got that exhaust system finally put in.
We got a few things different. It's not stock anymore. We got the all black grill right here.
Okay.
Wrapped it up. Plate relocator right there.
Relocator.
It was up here, fucking blocking the whole grill. Got to lower it down.
Got it. Got it.
The main juice is the exhaust.
Oh, what's it? Hold on, you didn't have this big ass roof rack.
Oh yeah, this is for the camping trips, the
Holy,
snowboarding trips.
Holy shit, man.
Got the cargo, the Thule mountain cargo. Got it. Put your snowboards, put your bikes, whatever, skateboards, skis.
Anyone's trying to get that, there you go. That's the one.
It's a universal mounting, so you're good if you need to get it for your Subaru, for anything. So we got the Soul Red Mazda, and the most thing we got is.
So hold on, I'm assuming you got the Corksport exhaust because there's a sticker.
There. Got the Corksport axle back, as you can take a look. It's pretty shiny right now.
All right, let's come around here. Jeez.
Yeah, if you look underneath, it's just like old tire. If you're interested in buying this brand new, it's $499 USD. We live in Toronto, so it's just under 1,000, like 8 bills.
So 8 bills for this setup.
Yeah. Focus.
Nice and clean, man. Oh, I can even go under a little bit. Oh fuck. Oh, I see where it bolts on too. Nice and clean.
Yes, sir.
You guys did a nice fucking job. You said this is titanium?
Titanium? No, it's steel.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Titanium would have been super light. So they're saying that this exhaust will give you what, like 5 horsepower, and stocked. So this is the 2.0. So stock it comes 155. So I'm guessing it's like 160 right now.
160.
Yeah, we'll do like a little rev action soon.
All right.
Let's take it here.
Yeah, let's get it going.
Take a listen.
Alright, Fig. Appreciate you showing us the exhaust, the before and after.
Yeah, man. Hope you guys like it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Straight Figure Mags, we're out here.
Yeah, definitely. Alright, guys, we'll see you on the next one. Hacksaw out. Peace.